Hello children, good morning to all. In this class we will discuss Social Studies Semester 2, Lesson 1 Soils of India. In our previous class we have discussed soil formation, how soil is formed. In this class we will discuss the types of soils. Different parts of India are rich in different types of soils. Look at the map and find out which part of India is rich in which types of soils. So this is the map of our country India. In our country India, we will find different types of soil in different parts of India. All the types of soil in our country are not the same. Here, the different types of soils are highlighted in different colors. In this part, in the northern mountains, we will find mountain soils. In the plain areas, in this green portion, alluvial soil is found. In this portion, black lava soil. This part, we will find red soil. This portion we will find laterite soil. Here we will find desert soil. So all the soils are not the same in our country India. We will find different types of soils. Let us check it out, the different types of soils one by one. First of all, let us read out the lesson. The soil that is formed by the deposition of silt and sand brought down by rivers is known as alluvial soil. This type of soil is found in plenty in the northern and coastal plains of India. These deposits are very fertile, soft and rich in minerals. Alluvial soil is good for growing crops like rice, wheat, maize, tobacco, sugarcane, oilseeds, pulses and jute amongst many others. Fruits and vegetables also grow very well in this type of soil. The soil that is formed from lava after it solidifies is known as black soil. Black soil is mainly found in Gujarat, Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh, which lie in the northwestern part of the Deccan Plateau. This soil is clayey and retains a lot of moisture. It is most suitable for growing crops like cotton, millets, tobacco, oilseeds, wheat, sugarcane and even citrus fruits. Take a look at the picture. The soil is red in color and hence it is known as red soil. The presence of iron oxide makes this soil appear red in color. This soil is not very fertile, yet crops such as pulses, rice, millets and certain vegetables grow in this soil. Red soil is found mainly in the states of Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Orissa, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Telangana. So let us check out the different types of soil one by one. Types of soil. First of all, we will discuss alluvial soil. What is alluvial soil? Alluvial soils are formed, the soils which are formed by deposition of silt and sand by rivers is called alluvial soil. Means these types of soils are formed by deposition of silt and sand. When the river flows, in our India, when the river flows from the northern mountains, it flows towards the northern plains. Along with them, the rivers carry silt and sand particles, means sand and mud along with them, and they deposit in the plain areas. Those types of soils which get deposited by the rivers are known as alluvial soil. They deposit silt and sand. Silt means what? Sand and mud carried by flowing water. When the water flows, they carry sand and mud along with them and deposits in different parts of the plain areas. And alluvial soils are found in the northern plains and coastal plains of India, which are physical divisions of India. These physical divisions, that is northern plains and coastal plains of India, receives sufficient water. They are fertile, soft and rich in minerals. So alluvial soils are very fertile, means they are very suitable for growing crops, and they are soft. These types of soils are soft and they are rich in minerals. And the crops which are very good in alluvial soil, the crops which are grown in alluvial soil are rice, wheat, maize, tobacco, sugarcane, oilseeds, pulses, and jute. These types of crops are grown in alluvial soil, and also fruits and vegetables are grown. I hope you understood alluvial soil. Next, we will discuss black soil. This is the another type of soil, that is black soil. What do you mean by black soil? The soil which is formed from lava after it solidifies is known as black soil. Means due to volcanic eruption, when volcanoes occur, the magma comes out to the surface of the earth as lava in liquid form, and it changes into solid, and they are formed as black soil. So the soil which is formed from lava after it solidifies, means what do you mean by solidifies? It changes into solid form from liquid, is known as black soil. And where black soils are found? In the states of Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Madhya Pradesh. Black soils are found in Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Madhya Pradesh, and these states are to the northwestern direction of the Deccan Plateau. These types of soils are clay and retains a lot of moisture. Means what do you mean by clay? Clay means the soil that contains large amount of clay. In this soil we will find clay, and these types of soil, that is black soil, retains a lot of moisture. Means these types of soils we will find liquid in this soil. Means these types of soils are wet. And the crops which are grown in black soil. Which are the crops that are grown in black soil? The crops are cotton, millets, tobacco, oilseeds, wheat, sugarcane, and citrus fruits. These are the crops which are grown in black soil. So I hope you understood about alluvial soil and black soil. Next, we will discuss red soil. The soil which is red in color is known as red soil. What do you mean by red soil? Red soils are red in color. So these types of soils are known as red soil. And why red soils are red? Why they are red? They are red due to the presence of iron oxide. Means in red soil we will find iron oxide. Means compounds of oxygen and iron. Oxygen and iron combines together and form iron oxide. And these types of soils are not very fertile. Means they are not very good for growing crops. Some of the crops which can be grown in red soil are pulses, rice, millets, and vegetables grow. Although these types of soils are not good for growing crops, some of the crops are grown here, that is pulses, rice, millets, and vegetables. These are some of the crops which grow in red soil. And in which part of India we will find red soil? Red soils are found in the states Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Telangana. These are the states where red soils are found. So dear children, in this class we have discussed three types of soils, that is alluvial soil, black soil, and red soil. Let us check it out once again. Alluvial soil. What do you mean alluvial soil? These types of soils are formed by deposition of silt and sand by rivers. And where alluvial soils are found? In northern plains and coastal plains. And these types of soils are very fertile. And some of the crops which can be grown in alluvial soil are rice, wheat, maize, tobacco, sugarcane, oilseeds, pulses, and jute. Also fruits and vegetables are grown in alluvial soil. Also, we have discussed about black soil. How these soils are formed? These soils are formed from lava, means due to volcanic eruption. When the lava solidifies. And black soils are found in which part of India? Gujarat, Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. Black soils are clayey and they retain a lot of moisture. And the crops which can be grown in black soils are cotton, millets, tobacco, oilseeds, wheat, sugarcane and citrus fruits. Also, we have discussed about red soil. Red soil, what do you mean by red soil? The soil which is red in color. It is known as red soil. Why it is red? Due to the presence of iron oxide. Means in red soil we will find the compounds of oxygen and iron. Oxygen and iron, they combine together and form iron oxide. And these types of soils are not very fertile. Although these types of soils are not very fertile, some of the crops which are grown in red soils are pulses, rice, millets and vegetables grow in red soil. So in which parts of India we will find red soil? Red soils are found in the states Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Telangana. So dear children, in this lesson we have discussed three types of soil of our country India. In our next class we will discuss three more types of soil, that is laterite soil, desert soil and mountain soil. Thank you. Have a nice day.